Every girl's nightmare.
Hey guys, so I feel like I've filmed all my past videos in a robe, but I'm not even mad about it because it's such a vibe. Anyway, today's video is super exciting, chill, I'm keeping it very real. So today is actually the 31st, which is Halloween, and I used to go really extra for Halloween and like try out these crazy makeup looks, but I just haven't been feeling it the past few years, or maybe I've just sort of been really lazy. Regardless, I do still love Halloween and I am gonna celebrate it. I actually have a party to go to tonight and I'm going with my friends and we're actually doing a group costume, so I thought it would be really fun to just like film the process, film the get ready with me and just like vlog a little bit. Let's see. We're gonna like go with the flow. And hopefully it'll be interesting. I mean, if nothing, it'll just be a nice little memory. They're gonna come over in a bit and they're gonna get ready here as well, but I feel like I'm just gonna start my process from before. And then I'm gonna get started with, I might wear lenses. I actually have these really cool purple lenses that I was saving for Halloween because I thought I'd do some like kind of cool look. I'm not doing that. It's still Halloween, so I think I kind of want to wear it, but I don't know. I'm gonna pop them in and see how it looks, and then we'll see if I want to wear those or just like clear lenses. They're called Galaxy. They're from TTDI. They actually sent it to me during our collab. It's been a while, but they're supposed to last for a year. I hate putting lenses in. This is so hurtful. I actually also found a tutorial on YouTube for the makeup look, and I think I'm just gonna follow that. Guys, look what you got.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah, I just switched it on.
Oh, okay.
Oh, do you want to say hi? It's your tutorial for this.
My face is so white.
It's like throwback to the Goa vlog. Oh my god.
Yeah, I was on this side.
Hi.
Oh, scoot because I've seen it.
Okay. I'm just gonna be at the back. What do you want to say? Do you know what to say now?
What are we doing?
We're going saying hi. We're going as the Don't Call Me Angel version of the Charlie's Angels. It's gonna be Miley. I'm gonna be Ariana. It's gonna be Lana Del Rey. Yay. And I have galaxy eyes. Which one do we go with?
I'm going to change it to my nose.
Okay, just don't do it on camera.
Alright.
Anushka literally did that during my fashion week vlog.
Okay. Can you please
Rise and shine, baby. Oh no, I need that tape thing.
Can you quit? Jeez, well, that's so annoying. She got a nap. Why don't I? I'm getting to sleep and I'm going to go for a walk. What do I even say?
I have a invisible like the stick-on bra thing, but I don't think you'll need it.
Well, ouch.
I don't know why I'm so bright, but I just got done with my crease and now I'm gonna do like a pencil eyeliner and then I'm gonna smudge that out because I look like a wing look. What do you want? Yeah. They judge me for talking to the camera. Look at my friends. Guys, let's keep a time limit. Bedi, that's your job. When am I supposed to leave?
When are we? You tell me the time that we're supposed to leave.
9?
Okay, fine. We have 1 hour. We leave at
Oh, is that too late?
8:45.
Okay, 8:45. That's my lunch, by the way.
It's our dinner.
Yeah.
Can you please not look like you're going to call us on Halloween night? We have to give. She's putting makeup on me. So, yeah, no shit.
I'll try on those shoes. Which ones? My Wolfies?
Oh, well, the tiniest shoes I've ever seen, Riya.
Tiniest.
Yeah.
Are you
so
stupid?
tiny. As in, it must
Just like loosen the laces. I feel like you can squeeze
No,
it.
no.
It looks so good. And you actually look like her and then you put your hair. Oh my god, yes, Riya.
Yeah.
I'm just putting like rose gold and like shimmery eyeshadow.
Just look at her.
You literally reached the ceiling. Yeah, honestly.
I have forgotten how long my hair's gotten. Yeah, it's
Okay, are you ready? Yeah, it has gotten really
Really
long.
long.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh.
It's so satisfying.
Yeah,
Do
look
you
at
not see the
how
line?
sharp it is.
Yeah, it is.
Look at it. Don't call me.
This is what Bedi does at the game. Yeah, you say it on camera. Just say it. You don't edit the
You want me to say more shit?
Not friends anymore.
Will we ever friends though? I don't know. What? I don't know how exactly I'm supposed to do this.
That's very not me.
Yeah, don't do these.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Don't call me Angel.
I just did it! I'm trying really hard to finish my makeup fast.
Let me just button it up.
Oh, exposed.
No, first put it through. Yeah.
That's what she said.
Why is your hair so big?
That's why her hair is so big. It's full of secrets.
No, dude, it's like, see, her bun is so big.
My hands just go right to the top, or
yeah, see, like these two.
Don't you want to remove this?
yeah, I just want to see what it looks like. Okay, I think I did it wrong.
That's a lot of strain. Can we like cut it a bit?
Okay, good.
No, Riya, look at her. Okay, can you?
I like
Stop hitting the
it.
launch button.
It's flashing the battery. That should be fun. Guys, I'm really trying hard to get Ariana Grande cheekbones.
I don't even know what that has made. I know she has thick eyeliner.
Have you heard her music though? I don't really. Really? I don't like it. I really tried to like it.
I only like Lustful Life.
Her songs are
I downloaded her album.
like jamming songs when you're
Yeah.
like they're my songs I listen to on my balcony. Like
Yeah, no, but I tried listening to it, even like in the mood, but I don't know, it just sounded very weird. I feel like it's very different. It's not for everyone.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit of an acquired.
Yeah, acquired. It's like sushi.
Like she's like sushi. I should say that to a guy who comes up to me. I'm an acquired taste.
Yeah, I almost cried when I did my makeup for the shoot. I had to redo it. No, I had to redo it thrice. Remember, because the red eyeliner.
Oh yeah.
No, it's still recorded. I don't feel comfortable doing makeup over that.
But yeah, I can't see myself. Yep. Can I open it now?
Wait, is it dry?
No.
Wait for 2 more minutes. Am I finished my makeup till then? My camera battery died on me too. But like, yeah, I'm coming to my phone now. Actually successfully did my liner. And it's cute. I like it. I used the Blur Cosmetics. I give up on cat eyes. They actually sent it to me. Super cute. We're doing her makeup. Look at her eyeliner. Her eyes. They look cute. Yeah. Got spoiled because she opened her eyes. Oh. Yeah, you want to say something? How's it going? Are you excited? Yeah, we've been talking about Halloween for like a month now. Even though we didn't plan a costume, but like, it's still Halloween. Okay, I'm doing my hair right now. I'm scared. You look good. I like it. I'm scared about my hair.
Why?
Like, because the whole look depends on that. I like my makeup though.
Her hair's a side part, right?
Yeah. So I'm putting it on the opposite side so there's more volume on this side when I turn it over. And I'm adding extensions because my hair's too short. But like, I don't know if extensions are right. I've never used extensions. I have extensions here. I'm gonna put them in. I'm scared. These are too long. Bro, they're really fucking long.
Oh my god, so.
I mean, Ariana Grande does have it so long. Should I cut it? I just got it. Oh my god.
Wow.
I'll cut it.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, I'll put it on, then you cut it off.
Yeah.
Guys, this is exactly where I was standing when I cut it off on my hair. And now it's back on. Look at it.
Yeah, you'll have to cut it around.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little. Should I? I feel like I should open my hair, put it on, and then tie this ponytail. But it doesn't look bad. Like, I could still work with this, right? If I cut it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay, we're cutting my hair now. I mean, my fake hair. Let's do it. What do you think? Holy shit. Why am I acting like it's my real hair?
Well, you've done that, so.
You're doing a very bad job.
Okay. First of all,
Just do it!
it's a lot of hair to cut together.
This feels like one of my hair cutting videos, literally. You know, I gave up halfway and the scissor got stuck in my hair.
Even
my
I
real
want
hair.
to do it.
Do it! It's tired anyway, but don't. It's the same length! You can't mess.
It's fine. Let her do the rest. Let me just.
Yeah.
What did I do?
This is like every girl's nightmare.
That's hair on my ground.
Whoa!
Ooh, look at you. Y'all don't want to know what's happening behind.
I'm fixing the hair. You need to wet your hair for a hair. Like,
No, this is not my real hair.
yeah, but it's giving me anxiety as to how up and down it is.
Ariana Grande, who? So call me. You got me, you right.
see my hair?
Yeah. It's not hot for some reason. I think we actually pulled this off.
We did.
Insane! It's a video! Hey guys, we're ready! I'm using a phone to vlog tonight, it's so good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. She just left, how mean.
I'm hungry now.
So guys, I don't know if you all can see me at all, but we're ready. I'm really happy with our looks. We had a little mini photo shoot. Actually really happy with how it turned out. Look at us. We're on our way now. Should be fun. Okay, now it's too hot.
How much you let the gun for?
I'm filming by the way.
We've already
Yeah, up
done
here.
it before. Why did you do that? Just
Oh my god. Why does this always happen? Ouch.
why you record
Look who
like half of your
came.
phone?
Because, I mean, it's easier. Like, I can't,
Yeah, you can't
instead of
be
removing my whole camera, I can just, like, come to you and be hi. Okay, so she's gonna be Miley Cyrus. Okay.
What the fuck? It had something inside.
What?
Yeah, can you smell that?
No.
Did you hear it? It went off.
No, that's literally just what's
I
inside.
put it right next to my ear. It went off, and I got this.
Okay, stop playing.
Find some AA batteries so we can take photos.
Can you, like, maybe get your own film camera?
I forgot. Because of you.
What is this? Okay. Liner. Let's do liner. Are you the same shoe size?
Can I plug in the street now?
Yeah. Ready, my shot, boy. No, when they're watching the movie theater and then it comes out of the Oh my god, guys, we have to. It's a plan.